I'm Trent Johnson with Greeley Hatworks, and I'm going to be dancing for the Montfort Clubhouse. My instructor, or rather drill sergeant, is Kristen Randall with Just for Kicks Dance Studio in Windsor, Colorado. Overall, it's going pretty well, except for I'm still trying to trade out some of my feet because they're still both left feet. There have been some wipeouts, and I have been mopped by the floor several times, but it's all coming together. I think my biggest strength in this, besides my mad dancing skills, is my sense of humor and being able to make fun of myself. Weaknesses, my very poor dance moves and me being able to make fun of myself. We're all doing this for the same cause, right? We're all doing this to help raise funds for the Boys and Girls Club and help bring more awareness to their mission within our communities. And that's one of those cool things about the Boys and Girls Club, is it's that extra, sometimes missing piece of a sense of community and having some good structure and programming. We have to remember this is all in good fun for the Boys and Girls Club. Vote for the Montfort Clubhouse and subsequently myself, because I've got moves that are better than Jagger and I'm gonna prove it. And at that point, we will make mops out of the other dancers and then we'll help clean up the stage.